Okay, so sorry for the brief interruption. My computer decided to interrupt me. I was talking about fonts and font faces, or typefaces, excuse me. So I've selected my Hello, Welcome to Word statement, and I'm going to click up here in the Ribbon tab, and it's going to list all these fonts out. And I personally recommend Calibri, Cambria, and Times New Roman. All the other fonts, I mean, there are some alright ones, but yeah, for the sake of professionalism, I choose mostly just the plain, simple fonts. So I wouldn't choose something like Copperplate Gothic Bold. It doesn't look very professional, but I mean, if you're trying to create a document and the text sort of fits the theme of the document, then you might want to use it. It would work out well. Let's try Gill Sans MT. That's an alright font. Um, Here's our font sizes, and we can select all the way up to size 72. So we just have to select it, and then there you go, size 72. I believe that's the largest size in the list. So you can also do this by right-clicking and then selecting. So I'm just going to change it back to size 12 point. 12 point is the standard size everyone likes to use. So we've gone over the bold, italicized, underline. Font styles, we've done that. So let's open another document. So I've already got a pre-created document. So let's open, and here so I've clicked the open button by clicking the file tab and going to open. So now I've got two options. I'm going to open Alphabet, so just simply click on it and click open, and here we go. We've got Alphabet. This is just a basic document. As you can see, I've underlined some of it, I've bolded some of it, so I've used a little bit of text editing. Now that we've opened it, let's work with it. Let's rename this, because I don't like the name Alphabet. I think that's too generic. So let's go to File, Save As, and let's name it Alphabet Made by Me. That's good. That's a memorable name that you can find easily on your computer. And see right up here, it changes to Alphabet Made by Me. But I'm gonna click on here, and I'm gonna minimize all this stuff so you guys can see this. It looks like it's not on my desktop, but I don't want to have to go digging around in my file folders to find this file, Alphabet Made by Me. So let's resave it to a different file. So let's go to Save As, and instead of just clicking Save, let's scroll down with this little scroll bar and look at all this different stuff. Look at all these different places you could save it. So if you're saving a file, a document like this, I would recommend only saving it to either your documents or your desktop, because let's be honest, why would you put a Word file in a music folder? I mean, the music folder is there for a reason. It's where you can put your music at if you want to listen to it. And this really helps organizationally. It's way easier to find your files. So we're going to go and save it on our desktop. So let's just save. And then yes. Alright, so we've saved it to our desktop. And now we can access that file from the desktop. So we can go and minimize and then click on that. And that's going to be really helpful if you'd like to access it. Say you're writing, like, I don't know, maybe a diary or something, I don't know, a journal. And you want to be able to quickly access it without having to dig through and find it and then write your little entry and then be done. You can just do that. It's very useful. So now what we want to do is, let's do some printing. Printing can be sometimes complicated, sometimes easy. Depends on how well you have it set up. So we've gone to the File tab, and we've clicked on the Print tab. And now you see print, and this is your copy, so how many copies of this document, and here's your print preview. So basically, what does this file look like? And it looks great to me. Let's click on print, and right behind me I've got the printer going, and it says this document was sent to the printer to confirm it, and voila, here's our document. Remember, I've got a video up. I'm gonna put a video up on teaching you guys how to set up printers. It can be a complicated task, but it's so worth it. Okay, so we're getting close to the ending here. Let's go to let's try deleting a file, because there are some documents that you want to get rid of. For instance, I've decided I really don't want that Alphabet by Me file. I don't need it. I don't have any use for it. So let's go to Documents. As you can see here, we've got Alphabet Made by Me. We're going to simply right click on it and click delete. And yes. Oh. Very good point. Microsoft Windows, when it's open and you're editing a document, you have to go to that document and close it out before you can delete it. So let's try this again. Yes, and so there we go. It's gone. That looks like about it. I'll be posting a part 2 to Word if you'd like to learn some more. We really haven't gotten a whole lot done. We've just gotten the basics done. If you'd like to go deeper into the rabbit hole, I'm going to be teaching tables, bibliographies, all these different new concepts. So I hope to see you there, and I'll include a link in the bottom if you want to check it out for the new video. Thank you.